Okay, so this has the pin style for the wiper blade, and the little lever here is pushing on that pin to hold it in place. You can kind of see me moving that little lever, and I'm going to push down on the lever, and then I'm going to lift up on the blade, and it's not wanting to go again. I have to push in there. There we go. Okay, so I push right there, and then it just pops up. And then I push down again. And then it just pulls right out of there. What happens is this little knob will go through there and then lock into that. You can see that little piece right there, how it locks in. So for the new one, what we're going to do is we're just going to simply line it up with the hole and then just push it in just like that, and it locks it in place with this little latch right here up underneath. So it locks it in. You can see it's locked that wiper back into place. And to remove it, I just lift this up out of the way, and I'm going to tilt it this direction. And then there's a little lever under here. This little lever, this is holding it into place. So I'm going to push this, and then I'm going to slide this down like this, and this little J hook, I'm going to slide it all the way out, and then I'm going to go up through the hole here. So that little hook is going through this, and it's being held in place with this little latch on this hook. So when I put a new blade on, I just simply angle the blade in reverse order and go like this through the hook, and then I twist it up and then just snap it into place like this, and you can see that little hook is holding it into place again. And then I just gently bring it back down to go against the windshield. Beam right here. This one doesn't have a J hook. So there's a little button right here that I can push, not disengage my wiper blade, and then I can lift it out. And some of them have these little clips here to engage on this little hook system, or a little button like this one. So now I'm going to feed it through like this with the new one, and I'm just going to disengage that little button, and then I just gently push this down in, and you can see how it just slides into that bracket and then locks into place. And then again, gently put it back down on the windshield.